Hey guys, it's Earl and Brian here. We're going to take a look at our Haltech Elite 2500 R32 GTR specific harness. Now, this is built as a one-piece harness, so it includes the upper and lower harness integrated as one unit. It has the factory OEM firewall boot on it as well. And it has everything that you would see in all of our other aftermarket ECU harnesses. So we've got additional pressure sensors, including fuel and oil pressure. Also has a oil temperature sensor directly to the ECU. Provisions for a map sensor and air temperature sensor. And something we did in this harness, which is pretty nice, is we went ahead and wired in a 4.9 wideband branch. So this actually passes through back toward the ECU to this 6-pin connector. So this will allow you to plug it into your WB1, and it's already going through the grommet. So that's nice. You're not going to have an overlay. You don't have to run anything through the floor of the vehicle. We also went ahead and put the 4-pin DT connector so you can plug directly into the WB1 as well. Other things we've added on this are the Haltech analog output adapter. Now this is going to allow you to use a DPO in the ECU to control your all-wheel drive lockup. Obviously it has the provisions for the Atessa controller. Here's your standard dash connectors that you would find in an R32 GTR. These are going to do your gauges, other items like that. Everything is going to work just like a factory car. Now we did build this harness with an igniter chip, but you will have all the coil options like you would have in any other RB harness. So what we like to do is push people toward the R35 coils. That seems to be a very popular upgrade. And we like to use PRP. They make an awesome bracket that bolts right on. You can fit everything underneath the factory engine covers, so it looks clean. It's very neat. And just basically the same as any of our other harnesses. It has the nylon loom and heat shrink construction. Anything that may be near an exhaust portion or a hot component on the motor is loomed in fiberglass. Yeah, I think that pretty much sums it up. And this is basically what you would receive when you purchase the kit. You're going to get this charge cable as well. And hopefully this will be something you guys will like. We're really excited about it. R32 GTR is an awesome platform, so we wanted to go ahead and make just a specific harness directly for that platform. We will also be producing a plug-and-play version of this harness, which will be suitable for Platinum plug-in ECUs, AM version 2s, and Link and GTR ECUs. That should be out within a couple months. These we already have on the shelf and they're ready to ship.